In this video, I'm going to teach you how to cut your video clips using the razor tool. The razor tool can be found in the toolbar right here. It's a super easy tool to cut your clips in a timeline. You can also press C on your keyboard to bring up the razor blade and then click wherever you want to make a cut in any clip. Simple as that. But now, let me give you some extra tips to use this tool. The first one is to enable the Snap tool, or S, on your keyboard. This will allow the razor to snap to your playhead, which makes it easier to cut at an exact moment in your clip. If you're not sure whether it's snapped or not, check the bottom of your playhead. If you see these two arrows, then it's snapped. Now, if you have multiple stacks of videos and/or audio, it will only cut in the track that is selected. If you want to cut in multiple tracks at the same time, then hold Shift while using the razor tool. Now, a somewhat more simple way to cut your videos is with the Add Edit tool, or Ctrl+K or Command-K on a Mac. This will immediately add a cut to the selected track, so you don't have to click to cut. K-Shift will add a cut, but then all clips in every track. And the last tip, if you want to cut in only the video track, but not in the linked audio, then hold down Alt or Option on a Mac while cutting dot, and that's it guys, dot, quick and easy cutting.